camper.
I know. We're home.
We weren't gone that long. Just excited, huh? Nice to rip into the garbage.
I know.
Hey, we're here. Okay. We're only gone for 2 hours.
Okay, calm down.
Relax. Relax. Take a chill pill. Mr. Overexcited. He's going to go through his little routine of running around here.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I guess he's all tuckered out now.
Want to go for pee?
Go outside. Wallace, go outside. Go outside.